Okay, like this. So this is the eyes line. I just break the eyes line first circle. This is the eyes line. I just break half of the circle eyes line. Here the forehead. That much is the forehead, and half at it. This much the okay. The same height like this also. Okay? Here also same height. That much. Here I just make this nose. Okay, so easy because it's a side portrait, so easy. We make the nose like this, eyes like this. Here's the eyes. That much is the forehead.
That's a side portrait.
Yes, yes, side portrait always easier, so easy. Okay, and now the same height I take from here. Same height, this height, the same height I take from here, like this, and I divide it 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 parts, and this part actually face, and this part actually chin. So I make it 1 face, this mouth, like this, and make this the chin. And this. Oh, look at it. Let's show you. Yeah, this is the eyes over here. This is one eyes. I promise I finish it 10 minutes, okay? Like this. Okay, this is nose. And see, in this circle, if I make it half, like this, in this circle, if I make the half, this is area we are creating. No. Okay. So this is, we make this. Here is the A. Okay. We are making this. Here, this is eyes line and nose line. Eyes line and nose line. This is the area of the ear line. Okay, so make the ear. Always this. Okay, and here this the neck. How you are making the exact portraits? Just few seconds. Okay, I show all drawing this stick in easy way. Portraits, animals, birds. See, here to here is a forehead, so I leave that much no here. I start here from this. Okay, from this. That's a forehead. I extend the here. Okay, this is eyes. This is the jawline. Done. My drawing is done. I just make it now with brush pen. Oh my God, you guys are so talented. You so fast can do this. How? I'm searching my pen. Where my pen is going? Yes, I see. I see. Just a minute. Touching my pen, where going my pen? Oh my God. Oh my God, this is a brush pen. We are making this cartoon, this comic strips now. I close the eyes. See, just close the eyes. Eyes is very simple like this. One. To line. Like this. Okay. And here you can see this little bit of line over here. The eyelash. Nose line, see the simple nose line over here. See the how to draw this nose line. See this mouth, the lips parts, how to draw. As well I'm making the lots of sculpture, so I observed lots to what is the chin and mouth, these parts. You also try to observation. It's very important. Observation is so. We are making some line. How to make the comics line. Okay. Understood beta? Ayush, Tanvi beta, dear, understood beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make its line. This is amazing techniques to make the Marvel comics and DC comics, how to create. Can this student understand, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This type of drawing, ma'am, need very patience and very neat line. So
Yes.
yeah, just
I was just thinking I was having everything.
yeah, needs a very good observation because you make with the paint, so no chance to erase. So seriously, you can know.
And with the brush pen, it's very easy to draw such.
Yes, ma'am. This is only way to good brush pen if you use. This is the only way to make very nice. Yeah. Marker is not working, ma'am, because it is this is line is coming not sharp. You need the sharp line and as well this reason.
How much is for the brush pen?
This is 50 rupees. This is a 50 rupees for.
Okay.
This is a 50 rupees Camlin brush paint. It's a 50 rupees per piece. But this is a brush stroke. It is a 400 per piece. I buy 12 pencil like that pen like this. So it is taking the 200 per piece. But single is 400 something like that. So it was better to buy this 50 rupees. This is very good. That is a brush pen. Camlin brush pen is very good. You can buy this normal. Yeah. I use this Camlin brush pen. This is I use a 12 at a time and 50 rupees, and it's very good works. See, this is the both the nib is how this is very smaller and this is more bigger. So that's why when I making the very small works I use in this, but this is a little bit of bigger. But I use in 90% time this brush. This is also the same. If you want to make soft line, you can make the same work. Only this brush pen is brush tool. The product is little costly. That's why. Otherwise, better you use this pen. I use it. why I'm using this line. Somewhere I need the dark line, more cover with the more deep color. So I'm using the 10 rupees. This is a very useful the marker. So I can make this. This comic drawing is basically light and set, so that's a very good combination. Light and sets. If you want to make the dark the color, you can use this marker. It's the best. So I just make some areas a little dark, more darker. Please, beta, please show yours. Yeah, just a second. Whoa, my God. Oh my God, you guys are just amazing speed build. How you make this fast? I'm working last 20 years in drawing. Yeah, I see that. How you guys are make that fast? I'm still 20 years in drawing and still practice. And you were just 7 plus 8, you make this that much fast. How? You was just brilliant. Oh, class 4, 4, right? Okay, class 2. That's great. Yeah, that's the reason. 2 years old. Oh my God. So you are also